What is it, Oz? Get it, Ozzy. Silly grandma gave you impossible wrapping paper, huh, Oz? You just can't get it. Help him, bud. What's in there, Oscar? What's in there, Oz? What's in there, buddy? Did you get it? Did you get it? No. Uh-oh, Oz. Come on. You got a hole. There you go. There you go. Help him, bud. Uh-oh, what is it? See, thanks, Grandma. That's going to be the most annoying toy. It's going to be the most annoying toy, huh? Oh, Oscar's afraid of it. What do you got, Oscar? Uh-oh, Bubba found one. What is that, bud? Get it, Bubba. What's in this one? Bubba, what's in this one? Right here, bud. Oh. Help him, bud. Get it, Bubba. This one. That one.